Real quick, let me show you guys how to set up your GloryFit app and how to connect it to your R5 smartwatch. Download it from Google Play Store or Apple Store. Then you tap on this agree and tap on ignore up here, or use your email to sign up real quick. Understand? Just tap on ignore and tap on ignore here, green. Choose your gender, I'm male. So after choosing my gender, choose your height, choose your weight, choose your age. Understand? I want to do this real quick. Then tap on select a device. Then search for your smartwatch real quick. Understand? So it will take some few seconds to search this. So here is the smartwatch here, the R5 smartwatch. So we'll start connecting to the smartwatch. Understand? So like this video if this video is helpful, and also subscribe to my channel. Let this smartwatch connect now. You can easily get this app from Google Play Store or Apple Store. Understand? So after connecting this smartwatch to the app, let me show you guys more features of this app, how to set the whole things up. So first thing, you can also enable the call reminder. Click on allow. Then the call reminder will be set. Understand? So set the call reminder so that call will be coming inside on the watch. You can be able to receive call reminder and also being able to reject calls. So from here, you can give the notification access, give the app a notification access. So you have to click on the app and give it the access allow. Then go back. So you have gone back. So you can enable some of the apps that you want to be receiving notifications from. You can enable Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, LinkedIn. So any of the apps that you want to be receiving notification with, understand, on your smartwatch, you can just easily enable it. Understand? You can enable WhatsApp. So after doing that, you can just go back. If you want to enable any other app like Facebook, you can do that also. So after doing that, come right here, tap on this do not disturb mode. If you don't need disturbance, you can enable and disable it. So after doing that, you can come right here. Here is to be able to remotely control your phone camera with the smartwatch. Understand? So here you can easily touch to take picture, and from here is to find the smartwatch, find the bracket. From here you can easily find your smartwatch, and also after doing that, you can do other settings like this. Come right down here. Let me show you guys. Yeah, this blood and oxygen setting, you can also enable it. Auto text, you can also enable it if you like. And you can also come here, heart rate, enable it. Here is the home menu. Here is the sport. So you can easily use this to do outdoor running, but before doing that, make sure you allow all the time. Then from here you will start counting. Understand? So you can easily be able to know how long you spend and how many kilometers you have covered. So you can easily just tap on end. After the whole spot, you can just tap on end, then tap on OK. Then you can easily go back to the main menu. So here is the device. When you come to the device, you can see that from here you can change your dials. Here's some normal dials that there. You can also customly change your wallpaper. Understand? Here they write custom dial. Here is where you can easily be able to input your own picture. Understand? By just tapping on it, you can easily do that. So I want to make this video real quick. So let me just go back. So after doing that, here is do not disturb mode. I've shown you guys that. So these are you can just come here. This is the SMS reminder. So enable it to be able to receive SMS on your phone. Understand? Here you can see the smartwatch is showing detail. The percentage is showing. So from here is me, my profile. I can easily set up a profile from here. Understand? So I can easily set up a profile right from here. I can just put my nickname, gender, age, And I can also edit right from here, and also put my profile picture on the app. Understand? So here is the system settings. So from here you can also easily log out and go home. So there is it, my profile. You can just go back. Here is for sports, and then get to the main menu. So make sure that your Bluetooth is on so that smartwatch can easily connect. So your Bluetooth have to be on, and from here is message push. Here you can also disable some of the apps that you don't want to be receiving notification, because when you're getting a lot of notification, here is alarm to add alarm time, and so you can easily tap here to add alarm time. So I believe this is all I have to show you guys for today on how to set up your GloryFit app and how to connect it. I hope this video is very helpful to you. You can easily just like this video. Please like if you find this video helpful, and also consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys for